Welcome to the introduction to exiting apps in Tesla Theater Mode. Tesla Theater Mode offers a cinema-like experience for passengers, allowing streaming from apps like YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu. This video explains how to properly exit these apps, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. We'll cover the common methods, troubleshoot potential issues, and provide tips for optimal usage as of December 2024 and early 2025. The Tesla Theater Mode interface displays various streaming apps that passengers can access for entertainment during drives. For example, Disney Plus can be streamed directly on the vehicle's screen, providing a cinematic experience. Hulu offers a wide range of content that can be enjoyed in the vehicle. The Tesla touchscreen provides an intuitive interface for accessing and managing streaming apps. Throughout this video, we'll explore the methods to exit these apps effectively for a better user experience. The primary method for exiting an app in theater mode is using the X or exit icon within the app's video player screen. Typically located in the top corner, tapping this icon will close the app and return you to the theater mode menu or the Tesla infotainment system's home screen. This is the most direct approach, ensuring the app is fully closed. Another way to exit apps in Tesla Theater Mode is by swiping up from the bottom of the screen or tapping the Home button on the infotainment bar. This action will typically pause the app and return you to the main menu. From there, you may need to manually close the app if it remains running in the background. While Tesla's voice command system is evolving, its functionality for exiting specific apps within Theater Mode is limited. Commands like Exit Theater Mode or Go Home might close the overall mode, but not necessarily the individual app. Check if voice commands specific to the app are available, though touch inputs are generally more reliable. Sometimes apps in Tesla Theater Mode may freeze or become unresponsive, especially after software updates. This can make exiting difficult. For basic issues, try tapping the screen repeatedly where the exit button should be, or simply wait a few seconds for the app to respond. In more severe cases, where the app remains unresponsive, perform a soft reset by holding down both steering wheel buttons simultaneously. This restarts the infotainment system without affecting the vehicle. If problems continue after a reset, reach out to Tesla support. They can use remote diagnostics to resolve glitches from software updates. Theater mode apps do not have automatic timeouts. Leaving apps running in the background can lead to battery drain. Ensure you manually exit apps when finished to conserve power, especially during long trips or when parked for extended periods. Pay attention to app activity even after leaving theater mode. Looking ahead, Tesla is expected to introduce AI-driven enhancements to its infotainment system, potentially including predictive app suggestions and more intuitive controls. These AI features could analyze user behavior to suggest relevant apps automatically, making navigation smoother and more personalized. Future software updates, such as the upcoming V12 UI, may incorporate haptic feedback for tactile responses when interacting with controls. Additionally, seamless app switching would allow instant transitions between applications without delays, enhancing the overall theater mode experience. Keep an eye out for these upgrades as they roll out. To summarize the best practices for managing apps in Tesla Theater Mode, the most effective ways to exit apps are by tapping the X icon on the player screen or swiping up to return to the home screen. Remember to always manually exit apps when finished to avoid unnecessary battery drain, as Theater Mode apps stay active until closed. Stay updated with the latest Tesla software releases to benefit from potential improvements to voice command functionality and overall app management features. With these practices, you can enjoy a smooth and efficient theater mode experience in your Tesla vehicle.